So on this lesson we are going to learn how we can insert images in our PowerPoint. So let's go and take a new slide. Let's take a blank slide, and over here I want to place an image and how we can import an image. So on the insert tab you can see that we have this picture option. On this picture option, if you click on it, you can have three sub option, which is insert picture from this device or stock image or online picture. For this example, let's take it from this device. When I click on that, we are on our document file. Let's go and look for some pictures. So over here I have few pictures already been downloaded. You can download it from the internet as well. So let's insert this picture. So as I have inserted this picture, you can see that this picture have been placed in our slide. So let's go and again take another picture and see what happens, right? So let's take another picture, and you can see that all of these picture have been placed on top of each other, right? So you have to adjust this picture to make sure it looks perfect. Also, what you can do is, let's delete one of them. When you click on the picture, you can see that we have new option on the ribbon picture format. Over here you can have lots or tons of adjustment you can do with the picture. For example, let's go to insert. Let's take an image from this device. I have downloaded a picture which is perfect for us to remove the background. So let's go and click on this remove background option, and if I hit OK, you can see that we have very easily able to remove the background of this shoe, right? So let's bring that image to see side by side what we have done. So very easily we have able to remove the background. Also, you can do some color correction. So if you click on that, you can find lots of color. You can correct those color if you want. Then you have this color saturation part as well. You can use them as your liking, and then you have some effects. So for example, you can use this effect so that it looks somebody have sketched this shoe and bring up this product. You can do that as well. Let's undo it, Control Z, and then you have these transparency options. Then compose picture. We can even change picture, or we can let's change picture from stock image. For example, let's click on it, and right now you can see we have the category. Let's search for shoe. Let's look for a field. Let's insert this image, and right now we have that image. So let's enlarge this picture, and I will send it to back. Right click on the mouse, send it to back, and we have able to bring the shoe on top of this field, right? And you can do such work very easily. After that, we can reset the picture as well and bring it to the original format. Then you have this picture style. You can make this picture in different format, for example over, round, and so on. You can just change them as you like from here, and then you can change the border color. For example, let's make it a little bit reddish, and you can also apply shadows on the picture and the picture layout, how you want to place this picture on this slide. So let's delete that background. Let's reset the picture, right? Let's use And now let's go to this picture layout. So I want this layout to look something like, for example, let's take this part. I want to write over here Nike, for example. Then again I can change its design format from here, and according to your likings you can present your slide from this pre-installed design. So let's reset all of the graphics. So this is how you can insert your images. So let's delete it and let's learn how we can create gallery, right? So let's go insert. Let's insert 6 tables, and over here I will insert pictures. All right, so let's go over here and let's click on image, this image, and let's select few of the picture. So let's create a picture gallery. So after clicking over here, let's go to table, and over here we will place picture. From this file, select all of the picture that we have. Let's select the pictures, and if we adjust this table we will able to create a gallery. For example, over here I want to insert a picture. Let's go picture, and we can insert the picture very easily. See, this is how simple it is to change or create a gallery over here. Now, as you know how to do it in a simple way, let's take some shape and let's insert some picture. So over here, let's go to the shape and let's create a circle. All right. On this circle, we want to place a picture. So how can we do that? We will click on this shape filler tool, go to this picture. Similar way, we will insert the picture, and you can see that we have able to create that. So this is how we can put any picture in a shape and we can create amazing designs. So if you see over here on this example on slide 6, we have this picture inserted inside a circle and we have created this design for this slide. So very easily you can use them as well. So I hope you have understood how to insert a picture. On our next video, we will learn how we can insert videos, audios, and how we can present them.